I've always been curious कि आप दोनों की relationships जो है personal relationships life में इतने public है. Your marriage has
I think his is more
Yeah,
public than mine.
yeah.
Branding with it. No matter how much we try.
What is the downside of sort of having such a public relationship as public figures, if I may ask?
I don't think mine is anywhere close to yours. So we only invite people into our world when we want to. Where I believe in yours, it's there no matter what, right?
Yeah. But it's all see it also depends on how जैसे मैं और तेजू हैं of course we get uh, everything that we do हाथ भी उठाया मतलब यहाँ रखा ये कैसे पकड़ा वो भी scrutinize हो रहा होता है
I
you
just
know
saw a video like that.
you know they
I
scrutinize
saw
everything
it. They had it circled. It was Teju grabbing your hand and just putting it on her waist.
yeah so you know
What's wrong with that?
nothing so they will but the idea is as long as me and Teju have that maturity to not get affected by all of this then you are fine. Listen, we chose to be actors. We chose to do a show like Big Boss. We chose to be out there.
Yeah.
So we can't complain about it. We cannot be hypocritical about it. कि नहीं यार मत capture करो या मत करो. We are there. We are public figures, right?
Yeah.
And we're both, जैसे भी Sunny and Daniel, they have a very private life
Yeah.
because Sunny is still out there, but they managed to keep it very private. मैं और तेजू वो कर ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज हम कहीं भी चले जाएं अब किसी का प्रीमियर जाना पड़ेगा किसी की पार्टी जाना पड़ेगा आप होने वाले हो सो वी आर नॉट गोना बी लाइक कि वी आर नॉट गोना से कि यार ये हमको नहीं चाहिए वी आर एक्टर्स वी लव गेटिंग लव फ्रॉम ऑल द पीपल बट येस देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ हेट दैट कम्स there's a lot of scrutiny that comes
Yeah.
there's a lot of judgment that comes मैं तो मतलब माँ कसम रेड फ्लैग्स का बाप ही बन चुका हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान में and it's not just me उन्होंने शाहरुख खान को नहीं छोड़ा भाई उन्होंने अली को नहीं छोड़ा उन्होंने रीजन ढूंढने हैं
Yeah.
I've understood that you cannot let this affect you and हम दोनों ही ऐसे हैं
Unaffected.
हम अपनी दुनिया में यहाँ पे हम भाई उदयपुर में इतनी प्यारी वेडिंग पे वो सब कर रहे हैं वापस आके पता चला यहाँ पे कुछ अलग बवान हुआ है अल्लाह वो ये कब हुआ अच्छा हुआ so it's beautiful you have to have that maturity otherwise तो you can आप ये लोग तो आपके धज्जियाँ उड़ा देंगे उनका तो और कोई इनके पास काम नहीं है Reddit एक ऐप है वो बस उसी पे इनको यही सब चाहिए बट दैट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी दे लव ऑल ऑफ दिस दे लव स्यापे दे लव उसके अलावा कुछ है नहीं आप वो वहाँ गोल्ड मेडल्स जीत रही हैं हमारी लड़कियां उनको कुछ वो नहीं पता उसका किसी को कोई लेना देना नहीं है बस रेडिट पे यही लगाओगे किसने क्या किया
Yeah.
I'm sorry and
But that's
I'm
what
not gonna
Smithville does well. Is
exactly
Same.
and I'm not gonna be hypocritical about it I'm a part of that industry and I'm very proud करो मुझे जज मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say कि यार मुझे बड़ा बुरा लगता है भाई I chose this
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah
I mean, that's the pros and cons of the profession.
Yeah.
But there's also, I'd want to ask you, at what point did you guys feel like I am in love or I have been extremely affected by this person? Which was that point for you also and for you? Both of you want to see वो कौन सा incident था जब आपको लगा कि प्यार तो हो गया मुझे?
Mine was from not such a great situation. It's probably one of the worst situations anybody would go through is when my mother passed away. And he didn't run away. He was right next to me, holding me at night and just there like a rock. And that was when in my mind, I go, okay, this is an angel who was sent, like God took my mother, but sent me Daniel. And that was when I knew. And I remember having that conversation with my father. I go, so when did you know you were in love with mom? And I go, I think I'm in love with someone, Dad. And I don't know. It's just from meeting him to dating him and then something so horrible happening and then that person sticks by your side. I think that really shows what kind of man and what kind of person you're with.
I think that's true test of time and you realize how much a person's there for you in
Yeah.
moments. I think
In the moments where we just met, literally. We met in January, my mother passed in March. So it was literally like just weeks,
months, yeah.
of knowing each other and, so many things happened.
How lovely.
Yeah.
Karan, for you, what was that point?
There has not been a point. There have been points and points and points.
Oh.
Till now, recently also there's something that will happen to which I would react in such a different way, and I'm like, oh, why am I reacting like this? And then I realize, oh, this is what actually love
What
is.
happened recently if you're
अब कुछ भी जैसे मैं अब दूसरा शो है उसमें कुछ चेंजेस हुई, ठीक है, तो मैं हम वो कर रहे हैं लाफ्टर शो, यू नो, एंड देन सडनली आई वोंट बी विद हर, ओ, एंड आई फेल्ट दैट, यू नो, वो जो हॉस्टल जाते हुए आपको वो वाली फीलिंग होती है ना सडनली, एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज, आई सेड आई रियली लव दिस गर्ल. You know, every week something or the other happens that, you know, then makes me realize this is not how I used to react, you know, in life.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it's
She's your
points and
person.
points. Yeah, she's my person. Yeah, and I'm hers.
I
Period.
see. You know, I feel like even with the show and the kind of shows we have, आज के ज़माने में accessibility इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है, people are commitment phobic, that loyalty is definitely difficult to find. Do you remember a time where your loyalty was or trust was broken in life, and how did you heal from it?
Oh, many times. That's how I found Daniel.
Yeah.
But that's what I said earlier. You just have to go through so many different things before you find the one person that you want to be with, you know? And I think that it's okay to date people or go out on a date with someone or get to know somebody and figure out whether that's your person or not. And sometimes it takes one person. Like my parents were just, they met and then they got married. They were in an arranged marriage and they were each other's person forever. Or there's some of us who, you know, had to meet different people to find out who that right person is.
Absolutely. I mean, like you said, kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince.
Wallah.
Yeah, 100%.
I like how girls can say it. अगर मैंने अगर ऐसा बोला तो मैं cancel.
One more red flag. What is
Yeah, वो
What
मैं
version
कहूँगा
of
ना.
this saying?
You can't say anything.
What's the female version of this saying?
For the like Shah Rukh Khan says in Diya Zindagi, बहुत कुर्सियों पे, you know, you have to try a lot of chairs.
भैया ये मैंने नहीं बोला है, ये आईना ने बोला है. कल मेरे ऊपर ट्विटर ट्रेंड ना चला देना. But I personally feel that you never recover from, you know, your trust being broken or a hurt. If
Oh, you
somebody
have
hurts you.
time.
I don't think you completely heal. I think you change as a human being. You know what I mean? It's like that you take a paper and you crush it and you try to make it straight. It's never going to be the same paper again. You know, and that's what has always happened in my life. So matlab, but then now thankfully I'm in a place where I know कि यार ये मुझे संभाल के रखे, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're safe.
Yeah.
If hypothetically both of y'all आज के ज़माने में अगर आप single होते, what would be something that you're looking for in a partner? What would be something that, you know, you'd want, that I want these things in my partner?
I would just want the same things over again.
Yeah.
Someone hot, tattoos, pretty hair, makes me laugh, can't really dance but tries anyways.
Yeah.
And really headstrong, good family, all those things that I wanted, everything that I wanted on the list, like that was what, you know, Daniel is. Yeah.
Sunny is a different person when Daniel is around.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What is she
yeah.
like?
She's like this 16-year-old.
I don't even understand what you're saying.
I'm telling you, she becomes a different person when he's around. That energy is different altogether.
No,
They're like lovebirds.
They say when a woman is in love with a man, she becomes childlike. She
Same.
becomes like her agey self.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, it's the person that you feel most safer
Safe
around, you
with,
know, where
yes.
I'm not worried. Like I know I'm not worried about anything, and I feel like he feels the same. And we're usually, I mean, usually most of the time we're on the same page. I don't care about anything materialistic,
Yeah.
and he's always like, "But we have to work harder." And I was like, "But relax. Like, what is this? It's just a house. Like, but we have each other, and that's what matters, you know."
Karan, for you, what do you think today, like if you were hypothetically single, something that you would find or some qualities or traits जो आपको आज भी चाहिए?
Oh, no, I don't think so. Because I realized that it was such a surprise for me, you know, when I met Teju, and, you know, when both of us, I didn't think we would have uh, uh, defined each other as our type, you know, but then it just happened, and that's the truth of it. So I think मैं नहीं जा रहा उस zone में. I'm very happy with this surprise that has happened in my life.
What is a disclaimer someone should have before dating y'all? That this is me as a person or this is what I like. What is one disclaimer you would give? to your partner?
यार देखो मेरी तो लाइफ जो है ना 360 डिग्रीज रिवॉल्व हुई है। देखो, एक वो मीम नहीं अभी हुआ था कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार ये सोना मुना शोना क्या करते रहते हैं, मर क्यों नहीं जाते, और खुद ही लगा हुआ हूँ मैं
Oh,
सेम
that's
चीजें यार, इट्स डैम फनी।
Yeah.
So, there are no disclaimers as such. There are no ifs and buts when you are in love. You know, as I was just hearing very intently what Sunny was saying. That there are times when she has to be rational, and there are times when he has to be rational. That's exactly. It's the little things. Why are we so focused? कि ये एक चीज नहीं होगी, ये एक चीज नहीं होगी. This is all been taught to us through these films and Instagram and looking at other people. It's as normal and as human as possible.
Right.
And it was like that when हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम पे भी वही था, मतलब हजारों साल पहले भी वही था, आज भी वो है. Either you work hard to make it happen or you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. फिर नहीं बोलते कि यार मेरे सिचुएशनशिप्स ही नहीं खत्म होते, कोई मिल ही नहीं रहा मेरे को.
वही चल रहा है ना.
हाँ वही चल रहा है, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ.
We end up being our own worst enemy.
Yeah.
Sunny, you would like to add something to that? Some disclaimer that you come with.
I have horns, so watch out.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.